5 foods to avoid with kidney disease. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados, often touted for their health benefits, including their heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. While avocados are usually a healthy addition to the diet, those with kidney disease may need to avoid them. This is because avocados are a very rich source of potassium. One average-sized avocado provides a whopping 690 milligrams of potassium. Number 2. Canned foods. From vegetables to soups and beans, the convenience of canned foods are hard to deny. However, most canned foods contain high amounts of sodium, as salt is added as a preservative to increase its shelf life. Due to the amount of sodium found in canned goods, it's often recommended that people with kidney disease avoid or limit their consumption. Number 3. Brown rice. Like whole wheat bread, brown rice is a whole grain that has a higher potassium and phosphorus content than its white rice counterpart. 1 cup of cooked brown rice contains 150 milligrams of phosphorus and 154 milligrams of potassium, while 1 cup of cooked white rice contains only 69 milligrams of phosphorus and 54 milligrams of potassium. You may be able to fit brown rice into a renal diet, but only if the portion is controlled and balanced with other foods to avoid an excessive daily intake of potassium and phosphorus. Number 4. Potatoes. Potatoes are a high-potassium vegetable, containing up to 1,000 milligrams in each large spud. Sweet potatoes, though lower in carbs, are only marginally lower in potassium levels. If you prefer potatoes in your diet, try boiling or soaking them in water before cooking to reduce the potassium level. Number 5. Processed meats. Processed meats typically contain large amounts of salt, mostly to improve their taste and preserve flavor. Some studies have even linked high amounts of processed meats to an increased risk of kidney cancer. Instead, try to buy whole, lean cuts of meat you can salt and season yourself. Thank you for watching.